Hello and welcome to Music 1112 Composition and Technology. At the top of the page you will see the course description. At the bottom of the course description you will see that you will have to purchase a Midi keyboard or software for this course. The cost ranges from about $99 for the software or about $130 or $159 depending on what Midi keyboard you would like to purchase. And these two things can also be purchased from Long and McQuaid. There's no option to purchase them through TLA, but we can, if you chat with me, we can look at the options that you have. And again, the reason for this is because you will be able to keep the software after the course, or the MIDI keyboard after the course, and continue on making your own music from what you've learned in the course. Otherwise, if you didn't have them, you would have to give them back or something like that. But this year we have made it mandatory that you purchase your own software. So just make sure you are aware of that. And if that is acceptable to you, it's not a very high cost, then that would be great. Below that is the V-class link that I use for V-classes. Typically, I have V-classes with students if they are stuck in the course, if they need help on something, if they need help setting something up in Ableton Live. Below that, I have a forum that's just used for questions and answers. The first section is the introduction section. It must go through this first, please. And it has the tour video, which you're watching now, the course requirements, course description, the getting active section, which you'll want to click on and go through to make sure that you are active in the course. And probably most importantly, the last three things here, the course schedule, which tells you exactly what assignments you have to do, the loop pack, which you have to have for the course. You have to download the loop pack, and there's a video on how to install the loop pack as well in the course, and also how to set up Contact, the free Contact player and library. And also, again, I have a video for this on how to set this up for your version of Live when you receive it. So please watch this in order to get yourself set up with the Contact player. Once you go through the introduction section and you read through the information that you need to, then you can start with the first section, which is the music theory and song arrangement. Music theory and song arrangement is basically just for you to tell me that you've learned basic music theory and you've learned basic songwriting. And there's videos to watch for both those, and then instructions on notes that you have to upload based on the videos that you watch. Once you're done the first assignments, then you can start with the forum posts and videos on how to set up Ableton Live, as well as learning the interface for Ableton Live. So all of this is based on the interface for Ableton Live. There are videos for every single section, and then you answer just some forum post questions that go out to me and everyone. So please make sure to do those. They're mandatory to complete the forum posts as well. Once those are done, then you start to get into the meat of, well, the first meat of the course, which is the small projects with effects, audio effects. So again, there's videos for everything, and then you'll notice after the reverb and delay video, you have a project. The projects for the course I've created, and what you do is you download them, so there's a link to download them. They will open in Ableton Live, probably open Ableton Live first on your computer, once you actually have the program. So you'll see actually you don't need the program for the first two sections of the course. You don't need it until this part right here. So there's instructions on what to do for the project once you've downloaded it and opened it. Follow the directions, and then you will upload your session file. And that is done by saving, and it's shown in the course as well how to save and upload your file. So that's basically how every project works. You download it, you edit it and work on it, and then you upload your final project to the upload space, which there is a space right in every place where you actually download the project as well. So keep in mind to do that, follow the directions, and upload your final assignment. Now, those are the small assignments. These are just ones that are working on effects. Next, you get into the part of the course where you're making your own arrangements. And again, they kind of work the same way. There are 3 projects which you have to complete, and then 3 more projects which you have to complete, although the last 3 here, you have a you have options. You can complete one in different styles: dubstep or funk, house or experimental jazz, hip hop or blues. So you can pick which one you want to do, and when you click on it, there's links for either one. Those are the arrange ones. And then finally, the last part of the course is building tracks with your own Midi loops. So this is using the keyboard after you've kind of played around with it throughout the course, of course. But you basically have to add your own parts to a pre-recorded song and then record an arrangement. So you get into kind of composing your own music as well. After that, after you learn how to compose your own music, building arrangements, then you will work on your final project, which is basically using all the stuff you've learned in the course to create your own project, your own song, your own composition. At the very end of the course, there's a forum I have for posting any compositions you make throughout the course. I'm fine with you guys sharing songs that you've made before the course or songs that you are making during the course. It's a great way to share songs. Over the years, I've had students say, hey, let's do something. Let's make a song in like 1 hour and let's all post them. And I did a song in an hour, and all the students did a song in an hour, and we shared them. And it was fun to kind of see what you can do given just an hour, or given just 2 hours, or given just a few loops or something. So hopefully that helps you with the kind of the makeup of the course and what you have to do. Keep in mind that right in the introduction, there's a free version of Ableton Live that you can use. You cannot save though. But you can kind of click around in the program and figure out what all the buttons do and everything. So it's kind of a nice way if you don't have the program yet, or you're still thinking, should I do this or not? It's a good way to click there for the link, go to the website and download the free version, and then see if this program works for you, and just kind of learn the program before you actually purchase it. So I hope you have a good year, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions.